We all have days where we don't want to get out of bed. Your mind is foggy, focusing is impossible, and the coffee just won't work. Help yourself get back on track with BioReigns bestseller, Limitless.
The first thing people notice when they take Limitless is the boost in their energy, and that's because of taurine and a peptide called AKG. Taurine supports a lot of different metrics that measure how effectively your body can exercise. One study from Japan showed that when test subjects were given taurine, they not only worked out harder, but they worked out longer. AKG is an antioxidant critical to the citric acid cycle, which is the process your body uses to release stored energy to your cells. But Limitless isn't just about giving you energy, it's about boosting your cognition. One of the main ingredients in these capsules is Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor. This peptide, also called BDNF, is active in the parts of the brain associated with critical thinking, learning, and memory, and it also promotes health and cell growth in your nervous system. When people ask me, how can they get more energy and think more clearly without getting jittery from coffee or energy drinks, I tell them about Limitless. They love that they don't have to bother with the taste, all the sugar and chemicals in energy drinks, and they can actually take something with great ingredients that support the health of their brain.
Use Limitless by taking 1 or 2 capsules whenever you need that extra edge. Take Limitless 20 to 30 minutes before exercise to try it as a pre-workout boost.